My name is Alan Curry, I'm a personal instructor and I'm here to demonstrate some exercises. The next exercise I'm going to demonstrate is for the shoulders. The shoulder joint is the most intricate joint in the whole body, so it needs particular attention. The first exercise I'm going to demonstrate, I'm using 2 kilograms here. You can use a couple of water bottles. Is going to be the shoulder fly. Just soft on your knees, no need to lock the joint of the knees. Keep the position nice and taut and there, and all we're going to do is lift from the sides, keeping our elbows slightly bent. If you look at me from the side, as I do that, my arms very slightly bent to take the pressure off the elbows. The second exercise, which will target more the front of the shoulder, will be a front raise. Same position, same taut position, and all we do then is we're lifting up just about eye level and back down slowly. And the third exercise, which involves a little bit more of the back of the arms, the triceps, as well as the shoulders, will be the shoulder press. Again, same position, and all we're doing is pushing up and down slowly. Nice and easy. Again, not locking the joint, just making sure there's a nice regular movement. So we've got 3 exercises. Fly. We got the raise, the front of the shoulder, or we've got the shoulder press. The last one, the shoulder press, making sure that any pain, because this does put a little bit more pressure on the lower spine, check it out with a medical advisor or physiotherapist to make sure it's okay to continue.